Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today for dinner I'm cooking lamb shanks. I'm just seasoning them with salt and pepper. Just salt and pepper for now. So just seasoning both sides with just salt and pepper. I'm going to add more spices later, but for now I'm just going to do salt and pepper. So black pepper, salt and black pepper. In a large pan, I'm just going to add some oil. Now just cooking my lamb shanks. I'm just gonna cook two at a time. Just cook until they're all nice and golden brown. Guys, I'm just cooking one by one. Make sure everything is sort of coated a little bit. Just, so now I'm just cutting my vegetables. So I'm just gonna roughly cut because I'm going to slow cook my lamb shank in an oven for more than 2 hours. So just roughly cut my vegetables: celery, carrot, and also some onion. Just roughly cut. With three medium-sized onion, which I roughly cut. So now I'm adding also some cloves of garlic. I've got about 8 cloves of garlic. All right, so now I'm going to add the vegetables in the same pan. Just cook the vegetables. Black pepper and salt. I'm just going to add tomato puree, about a can of tomato puree. Just adding 1.5 cups of beef stock. I'm just going to bring this to boil and pour this in my baking tray. So just adding bay leaves, some lamb spice seasoning, just spice seasoning, and some dried thyme. Now I'm just gonna pour this mixture on top. I add another cup of beef stock. Cover with foil, and I'm going to put it in the oven for 2.5 hours. Alright guys, after baking the lamb shakes in the oven for 2.5 hours, I'm going to look how soft they are now. They're just falling off the bone. I'm going to remove them and strain my sauce. So just remove them. This is so good. They're so soft. So the vegetables and these juices, I'm going to strain them and just left looking for the sauce. Just like that. Alright guys, this is the sauce I've got now. Nice and smooth. Now I'm going to put the lamb shakes back in the oven for like 5 to 10 minutes uncovered, just to give them a golden brown color, and then I'll come back and serve the dinner with mashed potato. Thank you for watching.